In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform your low-quality photos into stunning high-resolution images. Even your old photos with lost details can be brought back to life with stunning clarity. First, open the website promai.pro. Click on Start Creating for Free. Go to AI Tools. Then, choose HD Upscaler. In the image section, you can upload your low-quality or blurry photos you have. In the prompt section, you can ask the AI to either create new elements in specific parts of the photo, or focus on the existing elements to regenerate the image accordingly. In the options, you have the ability to adjust the AI's creativity level, allowing you to increase or decrease its flexibility in generating elements. Here we have a photo of a pizza that's completely blurry and missing details. Let's upload the photo from the image section. Every image you upload will be saved in the assets and will appear here. I click on Upload an image and upload my low-quality photo to ProMai. You can view your photo and crop it manually or based on standard aspect ratios if needed. I leave the prompt section empty and, with the creativity set to high, I click on Generate. In the Generation and History section, you can view all the generated photos. Let's click on the upscaled photo and save it to the computer. Now let's see the result together. Before and after. The result is quite good, but hold on, there's more. I've got a secret trick to enhance the details and resolution of the photo by up to 2 or even 3 times. Let me show you how it works. To increase the details of the photo even more, you should reduce the creativity value to the minimum. And then, click on Generate. Once it's done, we'll have a solid base image with the right resolution and sharp edges, that preserves the content of the original photo. Now, all we have to do is go to Edit and choose HD Upscaler. This will take the generated photo to the upscaler, and then we can generate a new photo based on it again. Just increase the creativity to high and click on Generate again. Let's download it and bring it to the Photoshop to compare. This is the result with the standard method. Let's zoom in on the meat texture to see the results more clearly. And this is the result with the secret trick. It's really incredible. You can use this trick on your photos to make them 2 to 3 times sharper and more detailed. Take a look around the pizza as well. It looks amazing. Here's another enhanced photo using the same trick. The details are truly impressive compared to the standard method. In this another example, we have an old photo of a house yard with completely lost details. Up here, there is a vine plant, but it's entirely gone. We want to use another trick to regenerate a specific part of the image, and bring back its details. First, I enhance the photo using the previous method, but as you can see, there's still no sign of the vine, and some parts of the image, like this child's shirt, look unnatural. This is where we can use the prompt section, to tell the AI to add a vine in that area. I prepared this prompt with the help of ChatGPT. Now, with the creativity level set to high, I click on Generate. As you can see, the grapevine is now fully recognizable and has been successfully regenerated. Now, we bring both images into Photoshop. We set the first image as the base photo and place the image with the grapevine on top. Then, we apply a mask to the top layer. Using a soft round brush with white color, we carefully paint over the areas we want to blend into the base image. We do the same process for the child's shirt in the image. This is the before, and this is the after. I'll include the website link and details about ProMai's subscription plans in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos.